Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any LinkedIn profile, how we can upload the videos. Video have certain limit is there. The limit is called 15 minutes. Previous limit is 10 minutes. Now they increase up to 5 minutes and total 15 minutes. So in particular minutes, video upload on your YouTube is a direct video. But I have to expecting for YouTube link also upload by in my particular LinkedIn account accepted. But uploading will be YouTube link will be two patterns. One is called go to here, select your particular, what are the company page you will be posting will be here. Select it, anyone. Here selecting will be one of the video will be here. Copy the link. Next will be paste it. What are the title? Video is done here. In same video, we are uploading another place. The place will be here. Copy this content. Your profile and Twitter account. Add your name. Digital Rakesh. Ask nothing but training. Either nothing but you can tag in some other option. So already here is there. So what are the options are here? Everything will be in your particular option. So here, what is that? Profile. Other profile is there. I'm adding for another profile. Okay. And click for post it. In one YouTube link, will publishing will be three platforms. LinkedIn company page, profile and Twitter account. So first, what is the main target is LinkedIn company page, right? YouTube link option. So what will happen if you go to Twitter thing, go to profile, video. If I am clicking for this video, going to LinkedIn account or YouTube link. So when I click here, the direct will be play for here. When you click this one, they go to YouTube. So that is the advantages from the any content you post from LinkedIn to any website link or YouTube link. But they will direct go to where? YouTube link and website link. So that is the main important. Without click for this link, we can play the video will be here. We can complete video watch will be in Twitter account and will be LinkedIn. Second one is called view profile. When coming to view profile will be here. There is called future. In a LinkedIn company page profile is one of the name is called future. Same link, copy, plus add post, add in newsletter, article, link. When you click for link is here, add automatical title and we can give by description. Description purpose by click for save. This is called profile engagement purpose. That will be people reaching purpose. This will be profile engagement purpose. So when you can profile engagement, somebody searching for your profile, somebody can see your profile, they can see your complete all features. After that, they will be accept on your okay, they're into this platform. So they will be accept on your particular every request. So that is called YouTube link adding will be two places. One is a profile featured option. Second will be in a front end posting purpose. And next one, uploading for direct video. Same policy. Select your company page. Select it for anyone. Target audience is different. Anyone is different. Target nothing but add language, region, job function, add location, add university, add company size, add seniority, add industry. Number of things are there. So that is I'm clicking for anyone. After that, click video, copy. What is it called? Select the thumbnail option. So thumbnail on the purpose, YouTube thumbnail grabber.com. So what are the image you can download it. So custom thumbnail is a mandatory field before upload any video. So once you're missing, what will happen? Simple one. People can't understand what kind of video you're uploading on your LinkedIn account. They're completely confused. So custom thumbnail is compulsory, mandatory field. So what are the posts will be done? Click here. Here is that. Copy the content. Click for post. The same post, how to visible by the LinkedIn profile and Twitter also I'll show you here. This will be, I can guide go to the YouTube channel. This video I'm uploading for directly. What will happen? They're showing for same access one or you can upload will be Twitter account. Is going to upload your video. Look into that. What are the you're posting on company page? Same that post you will be targeted by the audience by creating ad will be here. So those posts will be helping to the customer create the LinkedIn ads. How it is showing for LinkedIn ad will be like this. Promoted, one card in all your need, everything will be here. One option name is called sign up. When click the sign up, open for the sign up form. Or else they can open for the particular details will be here. So here is the option. Still video is uploading here. Website link, anything will be taking some time. Compared to the video. So video will be taking for long time. Website link and YouTube link will be taking some time. But YouTube link will be taking for long time. To uploading for everything will be finishing process. Once finishing process, this content will be sharing for LinkedIn profile and Twitter account. So that is the main advantages. In a future, in the previous, not in future, previous, one LinkedIn will log in, again posting for LinkedIn to Twitter, Twitter to Facebook. One login, three social network will be done by post. The previous, the remove from Facebook to Twitter option here, that is a old pattern. Facebook to Twitter post, facebook.com/Twitter is a previous option. This option right now, nothing will be used. So that is called, when you're posting for LinkedIn, only accept option name is called Twitter. So that is called in a LinkedIn company base to share any post, LinkedIn profile, and your particular Twitter profile option. So those steps you can follow it and regular updating for the particular video. Just wait for some seconds. Upload the video here. Video will be done. Now same post will be here. Anyone press Twitter, click this and post it. So compared to the web link and video is the taking long time. After this one, how we can show your Twitter account. So wait for some second. Now you can see is that when I click here, they go to YouTube link option. We upload for direct video. But what will happen is that they will be target only for link itself. This completely will be target for the link option. What are the link you have? That will be here. Suppose only for promote. Click this. Anyone plus Twitter. Check it. What will happen? I'm not mentioning any link. Those secrets is the problem. Now you can check it out. What is visible by here? See here. Link. Go on refresh. Yeah, 3 seconds. If I play this video, what will happen? You can see this. See here. Video will be can't play. When I'm playing for YouTube link, the video will play. But that video can't play. Where you can go? Go for LinkedIn account. Watch the video. So that is called what are the website link or YouTube link, anything you can play it. That is going to for your website and YouTube link itself. So those steps you can follow it and properly post your content. So this will be helping for getting for more views on your YouTube channel and a website link by sharing content, LinkedIn to Twitter and LinkedIn profile too, and a Twitter option will be eligible. One LinkedIn profile connecting for n number of Twitter account. By editing, will sharing only for one Twitter account. We will connect a number of Twitter account, but only one LinkedIn profile only sharing will be one Twitter account. This is a very important for every LinkedIn users. Interview question: can a post share possible LinkedIn to Twitter? Yes, possible. How much content is only accepting for 255 characters when you will be sharing LinkedIn to Twitter option. But LinkedIn, there will be nothing will be worry about up to 5,000 characters. But when sharing for LinkedIn and Twitter, only for eligible for 255 characters. So those we can follow it and share the content. Any particular doubts, you can ask me to my channel and definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.